Hi, how is everybody? My name is Chin, and today I would like to share with you how I like to make my Shirley Temple Jello shots. I'll be using Agar powder. It is healthier. I always prefer to use it to Jello. It is strictly plant-based and it is vegan. So for the ingredients, we're using 3 cups chilled ginger ale or Sprite, 3.9 teaspoons agar powder, and 3 tablespoons grenadine. So firstly, we'll pour 3 cups of chilled ginger ale or Sprite to the empty pot. Add 3.9 teaspoons agar powder to the chilled soda. Turn on the stove. Turn on high. Add 3 tablespoons grenadine. Bring to boil while stirring constantly. Then let it simmer for 1 minute. Let it cool a little. For parties or get-togethers, I think it's fun serving it in short syringes, so I like to use short syringes as well as short cups. So one 8-ounce cup fills up 6 short syringes. 2 cups will fill up 12 short syringes. Even filling up the short syringes is fun. So one 8-ounce cup will fill up 6 2-ounce short cups. 16-ounce cup fills 12 2-ounce short cups. Then chill them, and then when it's party time, just serve them. And I'm sure the guests will enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any questions or comments, please post in the comments below. Thank you again.